So in the previous video, we have discussed, this is the previous class video, we have discussed a LAN, creating a LAN without a router. So what we will do, we will create a LAN with a router, where router we will be taking it as a gateway um, and then execute using the PNET lab. So we are going to create a LAN with the router as a gateway using the PNET labs. So here the picture is, there is no change here, whatever we have done it is going to be the same. We are adding one router. The router IP address is 192.168.1.100 and this is going to be the gateway for all the PCs. So we will be executing this today. So what is going to be changing here? First we need to create a topology as shown here. Here we are going to take one router, one switch and then three PCs and we need to start all the devices. Once it is done, see we are going to give an IP address of the device followed by the subnet mask and this we are going to give the gateway. The gateway is the IP address of the router which is the gateway which we are going to give it to all the devices, any devices. Then we are going to configure this router interface. So we are going to use enable configure terminal. Then interface E0 bar 4, which means the interface which is connected near the router. That is the interface. Then IP address, address of the router, which is going to be the gateway for all the devices, followed by its mask, no shutdown, then exit, and then we will be writing all these things in the memory. Then we will going to just use it ping from one of the device to other device, or we can ping from the device to the router. We will see that today. So directly let us start doing in the PNET lab. I'll open my PNET lab. So this is we have done up to this step in the previous lab. So we are going to give an gateway for this. So what is the gateway address is going to be? Gateway is going to be 192.168.1.100. So for all the devices, it is going to be the same gateway 192.168.1.100. One 192.168 1.100. So we are going to use this now. So I'll bring one router. I'll take one node. I'll bring one of the router. iOS images are the routers. I'll take 2691. One of the router, I'll take it. Yes, I'll switch on this router. I'll connect my router to my PC. I should get my router. I'll take some other router now. Seven 710 router, I'll take it. Yes, I'm connecting my router, the switch 1710. Yes, now it is done. What I need to do, I need to go to individual PCs, 1.1 PC, and then change my IP address and add my gateway to this PC. I need to add the gateway. So it is going to be that it is open. So, 'opened. 'So 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 it is 1.1. So I'll give the same IP address 192.168.1.1 followed by 255.255.255.0. What is the gateway? 192.168.1.100. So it will check for the duplicate address. So 1.1 is done. Minimize this and then I'll take one more 1.2. So IP followed by 192.168.1.2 followed by 255.255.255.0. Then the gateway is 192.168.1.100. Yes, it is fine. The last PC IP 192.168.1.3 followed by 255.0, then gateway 192.168.1.100. Yes, it is done. So now I need to configure this router also. So let me this port ZE0 bar 3. So I'll go into this router. So always give no for the default configuration change. No. Yes. My router is it coming on. Yes, router. So my first command is enable, then configure terminal, same commands which we have used for switch configuration. Now I'll call the interface E0 bar 3. What is the interface? E0 bar 3. Ethernet 0 bar 3. We will see why it is not coming. We will exit. Show IP interface brief. The port is Ethernet 0, which is connected. It is so sometimes what happens in the PNET lab, unlike Cisco, which is connected here, Ethernet 0 is connected. So we need to assign to this port Ethernet 0. So let us try this. IP interface Ethernet 0. So it is taking. So which means that the problem is here. In the PNET, we have whichever port is connected here, Ethernet port here, and we need to take it, which is nearest to the router, and then configure that Ethernet port, Ethernet 0, then IP address. What is address we need to give? We need to give the IP address of the gateway for this router 255.255.255.0. Yes, it has taken. Next one, as I said in the last videos, whenever we give the IP address, we should give the no shutdown command. Then exit from this mode. Now we can see that interface Ethernet 0 is up, so it is on. And I'll exit from this mode and then write memory, which may and I'll write memory, which will write the memory. Yes. So no connections open and the right memory is building. It is done. Okay. So let us try to ping from my one of the PC. 1.1 PC I'll take 1.1 PC and I'll ping from here. I think it is opened. 1.1 is I'll ping my router 192.168.1.100. I should get some reply. Yes. Can you see we are getting the reply, which means the LAN with the router is perfect. So any doubts is there, you can give me as in the comment section. We'll try to respond to you.